Aging doesn't just affect your body, it impacts your brain too. But what if a simple drink could help reverse those effects? Neurologists are now pointing to a specific beverage that may actually restore brain function and improve cognitive health as you age. Intrigued? Let's dive into the details and find out how this drink works to keep your brain sharp and youthful. Green tea, the memory enhancer. You've probably heard about green tea's health benefits, but did you know it's also a brain booster? Rich in L-theanine and antioxidants like EGCG, green tea enhances memory and focus while reducing stress. Studies show regular consumption can delay age-related cognitive decline. Plus, it's great for heart health. Talk about a 2-for-1 deal. Coffee, your brain's best friend. It's not just for waking up. Coffee, with its high caffeine content, improves mental alertness and reaction time. But beyond that, it contains antioxidants that may protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Drinking a cup or two daily can keep your brain younger for longer. Just watch your intake. Too much caffeine can cause jitters. Beetroot juice, the natural brain fuel. Beetroot juice may not be your go-to drink, but it's packed with nitrates that improve blood flow to the brain. Enhanced circulation can lead to better cognitive function and quicker decision-making. Some research even suggests it helps slow down brain aging, making it a natural, neurologist-approved option for staying sharp. Final sip. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine could help restore brain function and combat the effects of aging. Think of them as brain fuel that works from the inside out. Ready to feel younger? Hit like and subscribe for more neurologist-approved tips to keep your mind at its best.